Hello everyone, this is Manipulator with this GEBA branded lock, or GEBA, which is a German company that specializes in safety key switches. You know, the ones when you turn the key to activate a switch. But they also have doors and gates, or partner with companies for doors and gates. So I do not know the intended purpose of this particular lock. Little click on 5, but we'll find out together what the security inside looks like. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 1, 2. Give me a little counter rotation, I'm not sure I oversaw that. Let me try that again. Just a little click this time. Nothing on 3. Little click on 4. Another little click on 4. Not sure if that's it. Let's see. Looks like it. Little click on 3. Little click on 2. Little click on 1. But I think there's nothing else there. Nothing else on 2. 3 wasn't completely set, gave me a little bit of movement. Nothing on 4 now. 5 is binding tightly. Subtle click. But that seems to be it for now. 4 is binding now. I think that's it. Alright. Try again on the back. Nothing on 4 this time. Nothing on 5. 3. 2. There was 1. Nothing on 2. 3. 4. There was 5 again. There was 4. Playing a little bit of to and fro with these two. Alright. Nothing else on 1. Or 2. Or 3. Now I'm confused what's what. Nothing on 5, pretty sure. Nothing on 4. Three doesn't seem to have to say too much to us. Neither do 1 or 2. Who's not talking to me? That's 4. Got it. 5 came back up and that's it. Took longer than expected, but let's have a look inside. All right, so let's have a close-up of what we've got. I made a mess out of the gutting because I didn't have a pinning shoe that fit. However, I think I got to some kind of result here. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the order that I suppose was in there. I did see that there was a spool in the second to last chamber. However, this spool, if you have a closer look at it, is a tempered spool. You can see that if this, this is kind of rounded. It's not just a standard sharp spool. It also has a little bit, it's more like an hourglass spool. All right, compared to this spool, that is just a regular spool. Okay, and we also have this barrel or this T-pin. So there are some quite fascinating specimens in this lock. The first two, however, seem to be common standard pins. All right, that's all I have for you today. Hope to see you in the next one. The gutting was a mess, I do apologize, but you know how it is sometimes. This back installation and the corresponding pin that is also sprung kept me busy for quite a while. That's all from Manipulator today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.